Ma'am, what's happened since I've been incarcerated is they have out-of-date information. So me trying to update somebody that has old information, like I said, on me when I was 28 years old, is so out of date. It is. I'm 48 years old, ma'am. So I've changed my life. I went to prison in Plain State 10 years ago, and I changed my life, and that does matter. Okay? So I live a very good and healthy life for myself. I take care of myself and I support my own self. I'm a single woman. I live alone. I have a pet. And that's what I do. I support myself. I don't rely on a man. I take care of myself. And I've lived that way for a long time. I'm very strong, independent woman. That's the way my mom raised me. So I'm blessed to have that. You know, I pay my bills and I always have a pet because I have trauma. I've groomed animals. I'm retired. And so I always have a fur baby. You know, I gave up my son for adoption. And, you know, this was something, I'm sorry for talking, ma'am, but.
Oh, no, you can talk. I'm giving you time to talk right now. Is there anything else you want to say?
You can call me crazy and say that, but I do love my family. I'm a very strong woman.
I will not call you crazy. Is there anything else you want to say?
That's fine.
Well, I will tell you this. I refuse to call you that.
Thank you. I don't like the stigma.
All right. So is there anything else?
No.
You want to say to me?
No, ma'am. And I think you're a very awesome judge. You're doing a great job. And you are. And thank you for helping me.
All right. Probation.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Probation?
Yes, Judge.
How are we going to handle the fact that in the NIC evaluation, they're saying that she's not going to take her medications? What do you say?
So I am.
All right. So here's the thing. I'm giving you time to speak.
Yes.
I did not interrupt you. I let you talk for as long as you want to talk. So now it's someone else's turn to talk. So do not interrupt them. And I want you to hear me clearly and internalize what I'm saying. If you interrupt them, what's going to end up happening is I'm going to send you back to jail. We are not going to hear this, and I will bring you back on Monday. Do you understand?
Yes.
And did she place her signature on the document?
Yes.
All right. Because this is plea bargaining agreement, because I followed your plea bargaining agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question of a weapon or ammunition is, you need to speak to an attorney. All right, thank you. State, make sure that you make the complainant aware of what has happened here today and that there's a no contact order. Okay.
And I have a copy of the probation paperwork.
You understand? All right, thank you.